This is a 2-year program. We follow the ASE or NATIF guidelines. 8 sections we go through. We pride ourselves on an hour of classroom and 3.5 hours of lab, which is a lot of hands-on training.
In addition to faculty and the quality faculty that we have tremendous facilities. I came from the Minnesota State Colleges and University system, 32 campuses, and I think I was in every one of them. None of those campuses have anything close to what we have in terms of an automotive technology facility. It is modern, state-of-the-art, and our faculty are using it to its fullest in terms of educating our students.
English is my second language, and to be able to learn the English and then the language and at the same time learn the career is been difficult for me, but they also been like getting through with me and then talking to me, and then they've been supporting me. Makes me feel that there's people that care about others.
It starts all the way at the administrative part of our school with good support. When you give good support to the instructors involved, they're able to give good support to the students. And I think also that the teachers really love what they do. They love the industry, they are car nuts, all of them, and the students see that.
They're very, very flexible for you. They do their best to make it easy for you and to help you out and make sure you know what you're doing. Everywhere I go, everybody's got a smile on their face. They love what they do. They love working with the people here and the students, and it's just a very welcoming environment.
The Sponsor a Scholar program is a wonderful program that we have here at Southeast Tech that is designed so that employers can connect with students while they're going to school here at Southeast Tech and connect with them early on, because our students are so well trained that by the time they reach their second year, they're already taken by industry and they already have a job in the field that they're going to be graduating in. So Sponsor a Scholar helps those companies connect with them early and also gives the students the support that they need, the financial support that they need to get through the program.
I think that young people entering this industry will have a little bit of a challenge with keeping up with the technology. The technology in this industry moves so fast that what you're teaching today is probably not what they're going to be seeing in 2 or 5 years from now.
Besides the 30 vehicles that we have on our fleet, 13 of them being newer than 2010, all the way up into the 2015 era. That's just stuff we have outside of the shop. Most of them are plated and insured, so we can do simulation bugs where the students can actually physically go out and drive them on the street and see how that reacts. We utilized ATEC and their training facility parts. We have most everything for the automotive industry for the students to use for simulation, so they can go and diagnose a whole headlight circuit and then understand how it works before we put them onto live work with a customer's car and tearing into stuff. We have all the dealership level scan tools, Ford, Chrysler, GM, and Toyota. A lot of hybrid stuff. We've been doing a lot of the lane departure and some of the new things that are coming out. There's a lot of great things coming to our industry, and I think we're headed in the right direction.
I think Southeast Tech has exceeded my expectations. I mean, not only are the facilities amazing and the teachers are knowledgeable and they know what they're doing and they want to help you learn and they encourage doing outside work, but it's also just a hassle-free process of doing everything from enrolling and doing general education and doing your main, courses. It's just been phenomenal and an amazing experience.
Our track record for the past 5 years has been 100% employment with our graduates and 93% of them in the automotive field when they leave Southeast Tech. So we're very excited that employers are looking for our students and we're able to provide a good quality student.
To our program with the budget cuts and stuff that's been nationally known, we worked a lot with industry to kind of get down to the bread and butter of what has to be completed. We worked closely with ASE and NATEF. We used with what we had on hand, and we innovated some of that stuff. We tried making some more simulation type training versus buying a bunch of more vehicles. We've worked a lot with recycling facilities, trying to get some more used stuff around. There's a lot of industry around that stepped up to the plate and have helped us in a lot of different ways.
So if we can get the newest technology, these students are going to have to keep learning as things go. We have self-driving cars coming down the line. We have cars that are going to automatically stop if something comes in front of it. We want to be on the cutting edge of that, so our students are the best of the best that we can turn out.
The community work we do here is great. Being able to work with the community and helping others and helping these younger kids who are just learning how to drive, be able to walk them through how to maintain their car and how to fix their car on the side of the road if something like that happens.
On a regional basis, we'll get folks that travel to Nordstrom's to look at jobs or to visit us that have been through other programs. Now, I can't speak for the whole country, but I can speak for what we've seen regionally. And I believe that Southeast Tech has a program that has grown to be the top program in the country. Just from some of the things I read in the journals and some of the things we hear from people that call our nationally syndicated Under the Hood show, and as we talk with them, there's a buzz out there about what's happening in South Dakota at Southeast Tech. And so we're very excited to know that in our town of Sioux Falls, that we've got one of the premier facilities and premier programs in the entire United States, and we're excited to brag about that.
I definitely am glad I chose Southeast Tech. It's already paying off in dividends. My job I have now, they've already offered me full-time before I'm even done with school. I know other students have been offered, like their employers have asked them to stop going to school and working full-time because they're already that good.
Walking into a brand new facility that's spotless, the prestige that you have to keep it that way, and the students that walk through there and see it and the wows you hear, it's just amazing.